Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Twitter/X media with phone settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Twitter or X media using your phone settings, start by unlocking your device. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and find the option for Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap on it to view all your connected accounts. Look for Twitter or X in the list of accounts. Select it to access the account settings. Next, you may see options for syncing. Ensure that media syncing is enabled. This will allow your photos and videos to sync to your device. If you do not see this option, you may need to update your app first. After confirming that media syncing is enabled, exit the settings. Open the Twitter or X app on your phone. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your avatar. Check for any media you wish to back up in your tweets. Once found, click on the tweet to open it. Tap on the media to view it in full screen. Look for the sharing options, usually represented by an icon. Select the option to save the media to your phone. Wait for the download to finish. After saving, exit the Twitter or X app. Return to your device's Gallery or Photos app. Confirm that the media has been saved successfully. It's now backed up and accessible anytime. Repeat these steps for any additional media you want to save. In case you have a lot of media, consider doing this periodically. This best practice keeps your favorite content safe. Now you're all set with your Twitter or X media backed up to your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.